Welcome! If you're looking to disable the Dark Sidebar on Discord Web after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can switch back to a lighter look and make Discord feel just right for you. First, open up your favorite browser and head over to the Discord website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and right next to it, a small gear icon. That's the Settings button. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the User Settings menu, look at the list on the left side and find the section labeled Appearance. Click on Appearance to open up all the display customization options. Here's where you'll find the setting for the sidebar. With the new update, Discord has added a toggle specifically for the sidebar's color scheme. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Dark Sidebar. If the toggle is switched on, your sidebar will appear in dark mode, even if the rest of Discord is in light mode. To disable the Dark Sidebar, simply click the toggle so it turns off. As soon as you switch it off, you'll notice the sidebar instantly changes to match the rest of your theme. No need to refresh or restart. Discord updates the look in real time. That's all it takes. You've now disabled the Dark Sidebar on Discord Web. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you prefer a brighter, more unified appearance while you chat or browse your servers. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might want to customize their Discord experience too. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your new, lighter sidebar on Discord.